Yo, what's up, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. This is the channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. And for those who's been tuning in for a while, I know you guys are wondering what the hell is going on with this background and this scenery right now. But truth be told, I moved. This is actually the apartment in which I was holding all these videos at for these past few months. All this video I've been giving you guys, it's been in this apartment, but I moved. I don't even live in New York State no more. I moved out the state. And you know, I'm still in transaction with the whole move and stuff. Now, we don't have internet in the new states. I'm waiting a couple days for the internet to come through. You know, I had to go with Xfinity, waiting for the guys to set it up, so I can give you guys those good videos. You know, the edits, edits and whatnot. But because of this is a one-shot type of thing. Just one take here. No video editing, no beats in the backgrounds, unfortunately. Yada yada. So that's why it's different over here. But before we get into the shoe, I gotta let you know real quick, like I always do. Is this authentic or is this UA? I did get this one from the UA source. Let's show you how good it looks today. This is the 350 V2 Dazzling Blue. I believe that's the name. I'm hearing some people calling it Stunning Blue for some reason. I think it's called Dazzling Blue. Let's take a look. And shout out to my supplier for this one. Yes, Yeezy shoes and whatnot. You can check out their Instagram. I'm gonna leave it up here, the handle, so you can check it out right quick. All right. I don't know the official release date for this pair, but it shouldn't take that long. Maybe in a month or two from now. It should be coming out soon. Alright. Check out the front of the box, yo. Alright. The box is a little messed up, but nobody cares about that. Sneakerheads only care about the shoes, you know what I mean? So... Ooh, and this is why I like going with the UA guys sometimes, y'all, because you see this right here. Look how this aligns perfectly. Like the sole with the midsole, these little lines, it goes perfectly. I've been seeing people selling authentic pairs on the internet, like early authentic pairs, and they don't even align properly. I ain't gonna say any names. You guys can do all the research online so you can see for yourself what I'm saying, but this is why I mess with UA sometimes too. I'm not paying resale. I don't rock with that, like I always say. So for those who don't care about resale, hit up my people. They gonna hook you up real well. It even smells the same. Produced the same. Check out the bottom. The blue stripe. Supply 350. I guess with this pair, it's not reverse. It's just gonna be normal like this. That's cool. Let's check out the insole. Oh, I guess it's all black in the bottom. I don't know if the authentic pair is gonna be like that, but this one turned out to be like this, so I'm assuming when the real pairs come out, it's going to be just like this. Boom. You know, sometimes they're off with like certain things. Like, I don't know if this is supposed to be the proper logo with this colorway. I really don't know, but I know when it comes to the outer looks, it's spot on, guys. It's really spot on. Take a look. No heel tab with this colorway right here. No heel tab at all. Yo, I like this pair a lot. I gotta tell you guys right now, I'm feeling this colorway. I am feeling this color. Oh, ooh. These guys are so on point. The new logo's on one of them. I guess that's how it's gonna be. The logo's just gonna be on one of them. On the left pair. And the right pair is just gonna have the Adidas logo. Alright, alright. Alright, well, that on-feet look, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that really. You know how this goes. This is recording with one shot, no edits, no nothing. You know what? Let's do this Dominican style. I'm just going to wear this without socks or any of that. Let's show you right quick how it looks. Why not? Alright, show you that on feet look. Wow. Tell me not. It's a fire pair right here. The color's perfect.